Hello friends, welcome to channel SAPLOBBY. So today we'll discuss on the time based planning. So this is the part of consumption based planning. So under consumption based planning, there are auto reorder point planning, whose MRP type is VM, forecast planning, whose MRP type is VV, and now it is time based planning. So in past videos, we already discussed the about the auto reorder point planning, forecast based planning. So if you did not go through, I will give that link. But however, in my description I have given the link of all my past videos, so you can go through that one. And please give a like on this on the video. So this will not cost for you, but that makes lot for us, okay, and for our effort. And please subscribe my channel, okay. So now in this video we'll discuss about the time based planning. So time based planning generally being used for a seasonal material, seasonal case, and it generally like when you are getting the delivery from supplier on particular day or time, and you want to plan the material also on a particular period, okay. In that case you should use the time based planning, okay. So now in this video we'll check what is the prerequisite setting for the time based planning, and we'll run a demo, okay. So in for the time based planning, we need to use the MRP type as a R1. And when you use the MRP type R1, we need to use the planning cycle. So planning cycle is nothing, only the planning calendar. So, but here functionality is like to give the planning date, on which date you want to plan the material. So that this planning cycle will help to give a planning date for that material, okay. And you should have the forecasting view. And uh, so there you need to add the consumption value. So here suppose you don't have the any other external requirement there, so you can use the forecasting, you can use the forecasting to get the requirement for the material, okay. And then you can execute forecast. So we'll see in that in system. Before we go to the system, there is one more thing, like the requirement, which requirement will calculated and under this formula. So like it that forecast requirement or other requirement in the interval means what means planning cycle means that planning cycle which will give you the date, or as per planning calendar or planning cycle, what planning date is coming, that planning date plus purchasing processing time, plan delivery time, good receipt time, and so this will be the your interval plus safety stock. So safety stock also your requirement, if you are maintaining the safety stock, that also your requirement, okay. So on based on this formula, your quantity and period will be decided, okay. So here like when MRP considers such type of material which are the time based planning, it do not consider based on the planning file activation in the planning file entry, based on the entries in the planning file, but it consider that material based on your MRP date of the material, okay. So I will show you in the system. So this is one of the material, okay, in MRP1. So now I have added here MRP type R1. So this is the time based planning, okay. and it is planning cycle is 002. So if I go to the planning cycle, if you look every Thursday, okay, it giving every Thursday. So this is nothing but planning calendar. Planning cycle is nothing but planning calendar, but this planning cycle help for the planning of material. Okay, then here plan. So I have not given any GR processing time, but I have given plan delivery time. Okay, and here planning. So this planning calendar will help you to calculate the delivery date of the for the supplier. Okay, and that planning that so this planning calendar or in planning cycle decide the MRP run date of the material. Okay, so this is the setting, and then so as I don't this material don't have other requirement, so I added the forecasting view, and here I've added all the consumption value. Okay, and I did the execute. I already executed the forecast. Okay, so based on that forecast value, it will decide the requirement. Okay, it will calculate the requirement. Okay, so this is the prerequisite. Now sorry, so now if I go to the planning file, so if I go to the planning file, so if you look at it is giving planning date is 2nd January. Okay, okay, 1 second. So let me here. Okay, this because here we have chosen the every first and 10th work day of month. So that's what after 10 days, because today is 21st. Okay, so here, so it is taking the for to calculate the planning date, take the 10 working days. So 5 days, if 5 days 10, so 2nd January is coming. Okay, suppose if I change this one, so here suppose if I say this one, so now if you look at it changed, it's 24th, because now I've added the another planning calendar whose date on every Thursday. Every Thursday means like now 21st, so next Thursday is 24th. Sorry, 1 second. 24th, sorry, it is Wednesday. Okay, so as per the current planning calendar, it will consider the Wednesday. Okay, so it should run the this metal should consider for planning on the Wednesday on 24th of December. Okay, so this is as per planning cycle. It system will propose to consider this date. Okay, but so now when this MRP will run in a plant level background, this will be it will consider, but for now test purpose we will run it manually. Okay, so that it will not if you run through the MD08 manually, then it will not consider the planning file, but it will consider, it will run as per the current date. Okay, so that is for demo purpose. But if you run at plant level, okay, then it will consider a planning file, and as per the date, planning date in the planning file, it will plan your material. Okay, because the material which have the time phased planning, for those type of planning, it do not consider this net change planning indicator. Those are not impactable. Okay, so those for those this type of planning, it will consider only the plan, what is the planning date in your planning file. Okay, so this is the functionality of this planning cycle. Okay, now for now, for demo purpose, we'll run it manually. Okay, so here MD02. So when you run the MRP in MD02, it do not consider the planning file. Okay, so now if I run this one here, so it will create a purchase equation. Okay, now so this will create a purchase equation. So if you go to the purchase equation, so so today we run, so it's saying sorry, so here planning date is 30. Okay, so it is, so that's what it is saying, your delivery date will be the on 22nd. Okay, now there is one more question, like suppose, so you will get that material on the 22nd January. So as per your plan process, because here only plan delivery time, so as per your lead time for your purchasing, you will get the material the delivery date. So in this case, when you are using the time phased planning, in that case, so your till your material delivery date, you should have the sufficient stock to manage the current requirement. If any requirement in between your delivery date, then you should have the sufficient stock. Okay, so in that case, you can use this time phased planning. So one is seasonal, you should have the stock also to cover that interval. Okay, then can your you can use this time phased planning. Okay, so this is how the it also differentiate from the like automatic reorder point and forecast based planning. Okay, hope you understood the topic of time based planning, how it work. Okay, so I tried my best to explain you what is the functionality. So if you have any comment, please let know, and also like please like and subscribe my channel.